Hello and welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly. Today's lesson will be on the present perfect continuous tense. You may be wondering, what is the present perfect continuous tense? The present perfect continuous tense describes an activity that took place over a period of time in the past, usually the recent past. The activity might have just stopped or might still be happening. Please note, the past activity often affects the present moment. For the formation of a present perfect continuous tense question, we need have or has, plus the subject, plus been, plus verbing or present participle, plus the rest of the sentence. For example, have I been working at Versace Boutique for 2 years? Have you been working at Versace Boutique for 2 years? Have they been working at Versace Boutique for 2 years? Have we been working at Versace Boutique for 2 years? Has she been working at Versace Boutique for 2 years? And lastly, has he been working at Versace Boutique for 2 years? An example would be, have you been working at Versace Boutique for 2 years? A positive answer would be, yes, I have been working there for 2 years. Or you can also say, yes, I have been working there for 2 years now. And if the answer is negative, you could say, no, I haven't been working there for 2 years. To make a sentence in the present perfect continuous tense, you would need the subject, plus have or has, plus been, plus verbing or present participle, plus the rest of the sentence. For example, I have been working at Versace Boutique for 2 years. You have been working at Versace Boutique for 2 years. They have been working at Versace Boutique for 2 years. We have been working at Versace Boutique for 2 years. She has been working at Versace Boutique for 2 years. And again, lastly, he has been working at Versace Boutique for 2 years. And as for the negative form, it'll be the subject plus has not or have not, plus been, plus verbing, plus the rest of the sentence. For example, I have not been smoking for a year now. Or the contracted form or the shorter version would be, I haven't been smoking for a year now. Another example, he has not been drinking since he had a car accident. Or you can also say, he hasn't been drinking since he had a car accident. Let's see some more examples of the present perfect continuous tense. I have been cleaning the house all day. I'm exhausted. Please note, I have been cleaning is in the present perfect continuous tense, whereas the result of cleaning the house all day, I become tired. So the present tense, I'm exhausted. I have been cleaning the house all day. I'm exhausted. Kyle has been studying for his final exams. Have you been going to the gym lately? Yes, I have been going to the gym lately. I have lost 20 pounds so far. Or if it's a negative answer, you could say, no, I haven't been going to the gym lately. I have been so busy working and trying to renovate my home in my spare time. I have been working since I was 16. Lately, my son hasn't been getting enough sleep. He has been putting so much time and effort into launching his ideal sportswear business. My friend has been teaching aerobics for several years. You could also mention your friend's name. For example, my friend Sarah has been teaching aerobics for several years. I have been spending less and saving more so that one day I can buy my own place. Time for a quick activity. What have you been doing lately? And another question for you is, what have you been doing today? Let me know your answers in the comment section.